At this moment, AI is capable of doing this. But what is AI exactly? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. So humans learn machines to plan, to reason, to being creative, and so on, without any human involvement or significantly reduced. AI helps humans and machines to understand each other via different languages. Examples are Chat GPT. This program or this application helps AI to understand the human language for text. So you ask ChatGPT to help you and it understands you without any involvement or humans or significantly reduced. So when you chat with ChatGPT, there's no human behind it that gives you an answer. Another example is Midjourney, a text-to-photo generator. The language here is to understand creating images, and AI helps how to simulate human intelligence about creating pictures, but let a software doing this. And another example is Kaiber. That's a text to animation AI tool. And here the human language of creating images is translated by AI, and the software creates from a text some beautiful animations. Okay, why is AI so important today, and why do you hear everywhere AI, AI, AI? At its core, it can do three things. One of them is to automate repetitive tasks. So for example, if you're researching something, you can use ChatGPT and type in the command research this company, and then it will extract from existing data a lot of research, and it's almost as if you have a researcher working for you, but then a software is doing the heavy work. Another example could be an office manager that does a lot of repetitive tasks. AI can help with this and reduce significantly this work. The second thing that AI can do much more better than humans is to recognize pattern in big data sets. For example, I have a lot of data. It will take me a lot of time to find patterns in it. AI can do this very fast because it never sleeps, and it's very easy for AI to understand the pattern in data. And the third one, AI can help humans with creating content, and not content for social media or an email. No, everything that a human produces. So for example, a project manager, they're sitting with a business meeting and then they know, okay, this is the project. They create also content. That's also content. Different thing is financial content. So financial advisors, they create also content. AI is capable of doing the same. Also lawyers and a lot of other jobs that create content, and AI is capable of doing this better than humans. Recently, investment bank Goldman Sachs presented a research about AI in the near 5 years and what it will do with the jobs. In their report, they presented that around 300 million people, so 300 million people, will feel the impact of AI in their daily job. And for some jobs, up to 50% will be automated because of AI. Two perspectives you can look at AI. The first one is from a negative perspective. You won't develop yourself to learn how to use AI and you become redundant. People don't need your skills anymore because AI can do it for them. Cheaper, faster, and better results. And the positive perspective, and that's why you are doing this training, is to learn how to use AI and how to become more productive. By the way, this training is part of a Masterclass AI. If you'd like to learn more about this Masterclass AI, there's a link in the description where you can find more information about this Masterclass AI and if it's something for you. Up next, a business case, how a 30-day AI challenge helped me to reduce time, resources and money on my marketing.